Welcome back to STL TV Live. I'm Sarah Thompson, and we're talking with Dan Glazier from Legal Services of Eastern Missouri. In our first interview, we talked about a lot of what you do on a daily basis, the type of services. You have a special event coming up. Tell me about it.
We do. It's called For the Common Good, and its name says it all. These are folks who we are honoring and celebrating those who have dedicated their time, their energy, their commitment to helping us promote the common good through the law in our community. It's on August 28th, and it's at the Randall Gallery, which is a really neat place to host such an event.
Yeah,
and we're going to celebrate those who help us make a difference on behalf of our clients.
And so you were talking, some of those people are the actual volunteers, other lawyers in town who volunteer their time, their services, as well as people, organizations who've financially contributed. And just in general, tell me about some of the honorees.
Yes, well, as we often say, and it's a corny statement, but it takes a village, and it does. And this is a way to recognize those who have been an important part of our village. We are honoring volunteer lawyers who donate their time. And so we're honoring our law firm that we are recognizing of the law firm of the year is Thompson. We are honoring individual lawyers who do amazing work for us, judges in the community who do terrific things. Lisa Page from Jefferson County is getting an honor. Our award, our sort of primary award, our most prestigious in a way, is the Robert Walston Chubb Award.
Okay.
And that is going to Charlie Weiss, who's just been a partner in every way possible to us at Legal Services. He's with Brian Cave.
Okay.
And so that's critical. But you know what? It's not just about lawyers, all right? One of the folks we're honoring is Gary Dollar, who is the retired CEO of the United Way and has just done so much to promote what we do, the work that we do, and the work on behalf of the poor in our community. We're honoring and recognizing the St. Louis American for their wonderful coverage on the issues that are critical to the clients that we serve. We are honoring Ian McCaslin, who was the director of Medicaid for the state of Missouri up until just recently, and did just an amazing job. He's getting the Ashley Award, which is on behalf, and says the work that you do on behalf of children and the difference that you make. We're honoring a wonderful group that is, we're very proud of, the Young Friends of Legal Services. These are young in so many ways, folks who are wonderful ambassadors of the work we do in promoting equal access to justice for all.
And it's important to get, I think, young people involved in sort of social justice and good causes as an early stage.
Absolutely.
Before we wrap up, I did want to ask you, I mean, what do you find is the sort of commonality of people who are working in, for-profit, big money sort of firms that to take their time to dedicate to such causes? I mean, what do you see over the years? You've been doing this for a long time. What do you see? No disrespect.
No, not taken. I'm proud of that.
What do you see? Is there just this innate sense of wanting justice for all people?
Well, everybody, I think, wants to wake up in the morning and say they're making a difference. And I feel so fortunate because we at Legal Services of Eastern Missouri get to do that each and every day on behalf of those who do not have a voice. And so there are so many others who help us to make that difference. And I think that's why no matter what you may be doing, most of the day or whatever, knowing that you are helping someone. And I got to say, I am very rich. We struggle with resources at Legal Services. We're a not-for-profit and all of that, but we are very rich in thank yous. We are very rich in hugs. We are very rich at all the things that really make life worth living.
Absolutely. Well, the event is called, here we go, For the Common Good Awards reception. It's coming up on August 28th at 5:30 p.m. at the Randall Art Gallery. It's a wonderful gallery, beautiful gallery downtown. For more information, you can go to the Legal Services of Eastern Missouri to their website. That's lsem.org, or call 314-256-8736. Tickets are still available, and as Dan pointed out, you don't just have to be a lawyer to attend this. This could be something where you want to recognize other people in the community who have done great things.
Good time for a good cause.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you for being here.
Thank you very much, Sarah.
With the awards reception. Thank you.
Enjoy it.
All right. Well, next on STL TV Live, we'll meet the voice of St. Louis. Stay tuned.